Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Arm & Hammer is probably one of the most popular laundry detergents on the market, known for its powerful cleaning ability derived from baking soda and its reputation for being gentle on clothes. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we will deep dive into the effectiveness of Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, exploring its various formulations, discussing its pros and cons, and ultimately determining whether it's the right choice for your laundry needs. We'll examine its cleaning power on different types of stains, assess its impact on fabric colors and textures, and consider its value for money compared to other leading brands. Number 5. Arm & Hammer Clean Burst Liquid Detergent. Experience the power of Arm & Hammer Clean Burst Liquid Laundry Detergent. It's tough on dirt and odors, leaving your clothes sparkling clean. One bottle cleans 170 medium loads. That's a lot of laundry, all with a fresh scent. It's formulated with 2x the stain-fighting power of leading value detergents. Say goodbye to tough stains. The power of Arm & Hammer baking soda is infused into this detergent for a deep clean that leaves your clothes feeling fresh and bright. Enjoy a crisp, clean scent that will leave your clothes smelling amazing. It's perfect for towels, sheets, and everything in between. It's a clean rinsing, low sudsing formula, safe for both standard and high-efficiency washers. It won't clog your machine's sensors. What we like? This detergent provides a large number of washes. It's great for tackling tough stains and leaves clothes smelling fresh. If you need a cost-effective option that cleans effectively, this is a great choice for you. What people say. Gets any smell out of clothes, towels, etc. Works great. Delivers powerful stain removal and a fresh scent. The liquid itself is of thick quality, which is awesome. It leaves your clothes clean with a fresh, bright scent. Number 4. Arm & Hammer Clean Burst Laundry Detergent. Experience the power of Clean Burst, the laundry detergent that tackles tough dirt and odors with ease. Its concentrated formula ensures you get 105 loads from a single bottle. It's not just clean, it's powerfully clean. This detergent boasts double the stain-fighting power compared to leading value brands, leaving your clothes looking their best. Clean Burst is enhanced with the natural cleaning power of Arm & Hammer baking soda. This helps to deeply clean your clothes, leaving them fresh and revitalized. Enjoy the crisp, clean scent that infuses your laundry with a burst of freshness. It's the perfect way to make your clothes smell amazing. It's designed to work perfectly in both standard and high-efficiency washing machines. Its clean rinsing formula won't clog your machine sensors. Get 105 loads of powerfully clean laundry from one bottle of Arm & Hammer Clean Burst. It's the perfect solution for your laundry needs. What we like? It offers a good amount of washes and effectively removes tough stains and odors. If you're looking for a balance between value and cleaning power, this is a great choice for you. What people say. Gets any smell out of clothes, towels, etc. Works great. Delivers powerful stain removal and a fresh scent. The liquid itself is of thick quality, which is awesome. It leaves your clothes clean with a fresh, bright scent. Number 3. Arm & Hammer OxiClean Detergent. It's here. This powerful detergent tackles tough stains and odors, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. It fights odors, blasts away stains, and boosts freshness. Get the best clean for your clothes. This detergent uses the trusted power of Arm & Hammer baking soda to deeply clean and freshen your clothes. It's formulated with OxiClean to remove stubborn stains like food, grass, and grease. Say goodbye to tough stains. It neutralizes tough smells like body odor and leaves your clothes with a long-lasting, fresh scent. Experience the difference. One bottle cleans 128 medium loads, giving you long-lasting value and freshness. What we like? This one is a powerful odor eliminator and stain remover. It leaves clothes smelling amazing. If you have smelly clothes or tough stains, this is the best option for you. What people say. It removes tough stains, keeps clothes fresh with a good scent and works great on my all-family clothes. Exceptionally effective in multiple ways, gets rid of stains and set in dirt and grime, makes our clothes smell fresh and clean, and makes everything soft and smooth. Huge in size, so one tank of this lasts our household a while. Improves the brightness of our clothes as well. It tackles tough odors really well, gym clothes, towels, everything. The big bottle lasts forever too. Number 2. Arm & Hammer plus OxiClean Power Paks. These convenient laundry packs combine concentrated detergent with OxiClean for a powerful clean. Say goodbye to measuring and spills. It's a stain remover, deep cleaner, whitener, brightener, and freshener all in one. Experience the ultimate laundry solution. From everyday spills to tough grease stains, it tackles even the most stubborn messes. It's your secret weapon against dirt. With the power of Arm & Hammer baking soda and odor blasters, it eliminates odors like wet dog and body odor. Your clothes will smell amazing. Simply drop 1 or 2 packs into your washing machine, depending on the load size. It's that simple. It delivers a deep clean and leaves your laundry with a lasting fresh scent. Enjoy the feeling of truly clean clothes. What we like. These convenient packs are mess-free and easy to use. They offer multiple cleaning benefits in one. If you value convenience and a deep clean, this is a great choice for you. What people say. Smell is heavenly and gets clothes clean without leaving any gel behind. These pods work just fine. And they are not overly scented like Tide pods are. Works great for stain removal. Easy to use. Number 1. Arm & Hammer plus OxiClean Detergent. It's the powerful laundry detergent that combines the cleaning power of Arm & Hammer baking soda with the stain-fighting strength of OxiClean. Get ready for remarkably clean clothes. One bottle cleans 77 medium loads, giving you long-lasting value and freshness for all your laundry needs. That's a lot of clean. It tackles stains, banishes odors, brightens colors, whitens whites, and leaves your clothes smelling fresh. It truly does it all. This detergent is specially formulated to deeply clean your clothes and leave them with a lasting fresh scent. Say goodbye to lingering odors. It's tough on over 101 stains, from food and grease to grass and more, yet gentle enough for everyday use. It's the perfect solution for all your laundry woes. Its clean rinsing, low sudsing formula is safe for both standard and high efficiency, washing machines. It's suitable for all washing machine types. What we like. It offers multiple cleaning benefits in one and leaves clothes smelling fresh. If you are looking for a convenient and effective way to clean your clothes, this is a great choice for you. What people say. It effectively removes stains and gets clothes clean, even in cold water and for heavily soiled items. Arm & Hammer plus OxiClean tackles tough stains like a champion. Even on stubborn stains, this detergent proves its worth, leaving my clothes looking clean and fresh after every wash. The fresh scent of this detergent is a game changer. It leaves my laundry with a clean and invigorating aroma that lasts for days. It's not overpowering, but it adds a pleasant freshness to my clothes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.